Hello, in this video we are going to see that how you can create your own coupons and vouchers within your WooCommerce plugin in your WordPress based website. If you are excited to learn, let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is that when you will on your dashboard hover over this marketing tab and click on this coupons. Once you will click on coupons, something similar will appear like this. Okay, from here what you will have to do is to simply click on create your first coupon. So once you will click on create your first coupon, here it will ask you for the coupon code. So that coupon code can be anything. For example, you want to run a campaign on Facebook, you can type in the coupon code as FB campaign 2022, or that can be anything. Coupon code can be anything, or you can use this auto generate coupon code feature from here. So that can be anything. Here you can add the description of the coupon if you want. Then here you only have three tabs available. The first one is the general tab. In the general tab, the first option you have is discount type. In the discount type, basically you have percentage discount, fixed cart discount, and the fixed product discount. In this example, we are going to use percentage discount, and here you will have to enter the coupon amount. So that says how much amount of percentage you want to set a coupon on. So for this example, I want to set at 20%, for example. And here you have option to allow free shipping. If you want to offer the free shipping with the use of this coupon, you can click on this. But before choosing this free shipping option, make sure you have free shipping method available in the shipping section in WooCommerce. If you don't know how to set up free shipping in WooCommerce, I have created a video on how you can set up free shipping in your WooCommerce website. I'll drop the link of that video in the description. Please go and check that video as well. So for now, I do not want to offer the allow free shipping here. Then after that, what you have is coupon expiry date. Here you can choose the expiry date for your coupon. So for example, I choose 31st, and that is it. In the next tab, you have usage restriction. Minimum spend, you can enter the minimum spent amount. So for example, if someone will spend $50 on my website, they'll get 20% discount there. Then here maximum spend, you can type in maximum spend in here. So for example, up to 50 to 100%, customer can use this particular coupon and they can get 20% discount from this. And then you can decide whether you want to use it as individual use. That means that if you will check this box, if the coupon cannot be used in conjunction with other coupons, in case you have created other coupons on your website, customer will not be able to use this coupon with all of those coupons. So if you are creating more than one coupon, it is a good practice to keep it as checked. Also, if you want, you can exclude some of the items by clicking here. Once you will click in here, you can decide which products you want to apply this coupon. And then in here, you can type in the product names. And then once you will check mark this, you will have to enter the titles of your product here to get excluded from the coupon. And then here you can decide the categories where you want to apply the coupon, and you can also exclude some of the categories here. Also, you can allow the emails to use the coupon, and you can disallow the email to use the coupon here. So this is all related to usage restriction for your coupon. And the third and the final tab is the usage limit. Whether you want this coupon to be used for unlimited time. If not, you can choose a number here that how many times these coupons can be used. For example, one time. Limit usage to X time, apply to all qualifying items in the cart. You can also limit the usage of your coupon by simply entering the X amount here. So for example, one time, that's it. Usage limit per person is one time. A coupon can be used for one person. And then you can hit publish here. So now you can see it says coupon updated. If I go to all product section, and then if I open any of these products, I'll require this coupon. I want to check this product. So here you can see there we have the product. Okay, here you can see that we have the product, and then here I can choose one of the variation, and then I can click on add to cart. Once I'll click on add to cart, here you can see the product is added in the cart. I click on view cart, and in the view cart option, here is our product that we have just added. What I'll have to do is to copy this coupon code from here, and then if I paste this coupon code here and click on apply coupon, here you can see it says the minimum spend of this coupon is $50. If this product is $50, so for example I type in 20 units here, and my cart should updated to $60. Now you can see the cart is updated. If I paste in the coupon again and click on apply coupon, now you can see that the 20% is deducted from here, and now the total is 59.40. So this is how you can create your own coupons within your WooCommerce plugin. If you like this video, please consider hitting the subscribe button, and then please don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you will always get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next